Hey guys, Kevin here, and in this video we will discuss some of the top project management tools for 2024. Before you go another day unorganized, let me tell you, this is the best project management software to ease your personal and professional lives. So without further delay, let's get started. All right, the first one on our list is a tool called Notion. In the realm of project management tools, Notion stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option. It's a platform that allows you to manage your projects, tasks, and team members seamlessly and efficiently. The beauty of Notion lies in its flexibility. It's not just a project management tool, it's a comprehensive workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and even organize all of your work. Getting started might have a learning curve, but with the vast array of templates out there, you'll find Notion to be quite easy. While building your workspace from scratch is possible, it can be time-consuming, especially for newcomers. Notion's project management capabilities are enhanced when used with templates. One such template is my personalized project management template. This one is designed to streamline your project management process. It provides a structured layout where you can track your project's progress, assign tasks, set deadlines, and much more. The template is customizable, allowing you to tweak it according to your project's specific needs. It's a great tool to keep your team aligned and your project on track. You can get a copy of this template using the link in the description below. But Notion's capabilities continue beyond project management. If you're looking to scale up your business operations, the Business Hub template is a valuable resource. This template is designed to help you manage all aspects of your business. It includes sections for tracking sales, managing customer relationships, overseeing marketing efforts, and a whole lot more. It's like having a business command center at your fingertips. The Business Hub template can be a game changer for businesses looking to streamline their operations and drive growth. So if you want to try any of these templates, just look in the description and you'll find them along with beginner step-by-step guides to make everything super easy for you. What's nice about Notion as well is that they are investing a lot in the AI side of things. There's a feature called Q&A, which allows you to scan the entirety of your Notion accounts and get answers. In Notion, teams can collaborate, organize projects, run agile sprints, and work with guests all in one workspace. A lot of people have been using Notion as a team wiki, so to speak, and it's also great for individuals that are looking to organize their own productivity alongside their work and have them fairly close to each other. So why did I choose Notion as my number one? Notion is a uniquely strong tool because of its flexibility to handle design, development, writing projects, all with the option to collaborate with people outside of your workspace. It's great for single users and small budgets, but it even offers plans that scale up to meet enterprise needs. At number two, we have Monday.com. When discussing the best project management tools for 2024, Monday.com is a name that certainly comes to mind. It's a cloud-based platform that offers a suite of features designed to help teams collaborate more effectively and manage their work more efficiently. Monday.com's features are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The platform offers a visual project tracking system that allows teams to see the status of tasks at a glance. It also includes time tracking, automated notifications, and integrations with popular tools like Google Drive and Slack. Moreover, Monday.com offers customizable workflows so you can tailor the platform to fit your team's specific needs. With Monday.com, you have a choice of work management, sales CRM, and dev layouts. From there, you can select your view style, whether it is a board, view, or a dashboard. In terms of the target audience, Monday.com is versatile and can cater to teams of all sizes and across various industries. All right, moving on to prices. Monday.com has different options for every budget. There's a free plan that costs nothing because it's free, which is great for small teams, solopreneurs, or new companies. The basic plan has some more features, costs $12 for each user every month. The standard plan bumps up to $14 per user each month and adds more features. And then, of course, the Pro plan is the top one, and that's $24 per user per month, and it includes all the features that Monday has. For big organizations with special needs, there's an enterprise plan. For this plan, you need to contact their customer sales team, and they'll give you a custom quote. All right, now the third option on our list is ClickUp. ClickUp stands out as a versatile and comprehensive platform. It is designed to streamline work processes and is packed with a multitude of features that can be customized to suit any work you need. One of the unique features of ClickUp is the hierarchy, which helps you create the perfect structure that scales with your needs. Furthermore, it offers an everything view that makes it easy to find anything that you're looking for, no matter where it lives in the hierarchy. Tasks in ClickUp can be customized using over 35 Click apps, each adding different functionalities. This includes task automation, assigning sprint points, adding custom field data, and more. For complex projects, ClickUp allows you to break them down into levels of subtasks and create checklists within each task. Additionally, ClickUp integrates with over 1,000 of your favorite tools, allowing you to sync your team calendars, messaging apps, cloud storage, and more. This makes it a powerful collaboration tool that streamlines teamwork. Besides, ClickUp is ideal for teams of all sizes and industries. Finally, let's discuss the pricing. ClickUp offers a variety of pricing options to cater to different needs and budgets. The structure consists of the free forever plan, which of course is no cost, the unlimited plan at $10 per member per month, and the business plan at $19 per member per month. Like Monday, they have an enterprise plan. You'll need to reach out to their customer service team to get a custom quote on that one. They have really flexible pricing structures, so it makes ClickUp an affordable choice for teams of all sizes. All right, next up is Asana. Asana is another top contender when it comes to project management tools. It offers a user-friendly and intuitive platform that makes it easy for teams to collaborate and manage their projects efficiently. It offers multiple project views, including lists, boards, timelines, and Gantt charts, which facilitate seamless supervision of project activities and to-dos. The platform also supports various automatic processes and integrations that can make your team more efficient. Asana is also available on mobile devices, making it easy to manage projects on the go. As for the target audience, Asana caters to teams of all sizes and industries, from small startups to large corporations. Asana's customizable features can adapt to many different work needs. Asana offers 5 different plans to meet everyone's needs. The personal plan is free and good for one person or a very small team. The starter plan costs $10.99 per user each month if you pay for a year, or $13.49 if you pay month by month. And it's for teams that are getting a little bigger and need to watch their projects more closely. The advanced plan is $24.99 per user each month for the year plan, or $30.49 for monthly payments, perfect for big organizations with a lot of projects. The enterprise plan has special prices. You can find out by talking to the sales team, which is becoming a theme here, but it's great for the very, very large companies that have more complicated needs and projects. Enterprise Plus also has special prices. That one is for companies that want extra security and control. Each plan is made to meet different needs, from simple task management for free to special plans for big companies. And last but not least, we have Smartsheet on our list. Smartsheet emerges as a dynamic, powerful, and highly customizable platform. Its interface is similar to a spreadsheet and is capable of so much more. It provides a robust platform for project management, task tracking, CRM, and online work collaboration. Smartsheet offers a wide range of features that can be tailored to any work requirement. It provides a flexible environment that can be customized for anything from project management to budget tracking, campaign tracking, and collaborative work. Smartsheet's unique features include the workload heat map, which provides a clear view into the availability of your team members, and the workload schedule, which gives a comprehensive full-screen view of all teams' tasks and timelines. Smartsheet offers a wide range of features that can be tailored to any work requirement. It provides a flexible environment that can be customized for anything from project management to budget tracking, campaign tracking, and collaborative work. Smartsheet's unique features include the workload heat map, which provides a clear view into the availability of your team members, and the workload schedule, which gives a comprehensive full screen view of all team tasks and timelines. These features significantly enhance team support and project execution. Furthermore, Smartsheet offers powerful analytics and reporting tools, robust data protection, and compliance. Smartsheet is designed to cater to a diverse range of users. It's ideal for small businesses, medium-sized businesses, and large corporations. It is particularly beneficial for teams that want to track, share, and manage projects with unlimited viewers. Smartsheet offers a variety of pricing options to cater to different needs and budgets. The free plan is free. The pro plan is priced at $9 a month, and the business plan shoots up to $32 per month. And for the enterprise plan, as usual, contact the sales team. And that's it for this video. If you're thinking about getting some of these tools, I've put links to all of these products in the video description. Clicking these links won't cost you more money. Instead, you'll save money with a nice discount, especially with my high quality Notion templates. If you like this video and want to help out, using these links is an easy and free way to support me in this channel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to message me on email. I will do my best to respond to all questions and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching and take care.